Oh, squirrel, got it! Oh! What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a bit of a mix and mash, this one. You can see, look at that, look at them dodgy clouds. Leading May, middle of May nearly. It's freezing cold. And we've just got April showers. What the hell's going on with the world? So what am I up to? Well, just trialling out my, got my Bluetooth headset on at the minute, trialling that out and linked in with the sat nav. Seems to be working not too bad so far. For any times that I need to go a bit further afield on the directions. I've also been playing around, finally got around to playing around with the suspension settings. So can't see the bloody thing with that geezer in the way. Nice one. He nearly pulled out in front of someone, didn't he? Yeah, so I've mucked about with the rear, so I've put the preload on the rear to high, compression, stiffen that up a bit, and yeah, a little bit less sag now. Feels fine, feels pretty good. So yeah, see how we get on. That's what we want. Want some more blue skies like that up there. Look at it, amazing. Anyway, let's do a bit of a Friday weekly roundup. So let's cut to that now. Will I get to work on time this morning? Well, we'll see. It's damp, it's crappy. Why is it as well? You always remember when you're too far out as well. You're at that critical point. You're at that point where it's just that too far that if you turn around, it's going to make you late. Go on your own side of the road, Bell End. I am not feeling the love this morning. I'm not going to lie to you. Oh, look at them dirty clouds, look at them. I've been in a bad mood taking a bite this morning. Let's have a look. Who's available? Who's available? Who's available? Actually, it was this one. Oh! Squirrel got it! Oh! Right under the wheels. Yoza! Oh, what have I forgotten today? Oh, my wallet! I've left my wallet in my other jacket. I've left my phone at home. This traffic is absolutely horrendous this morning. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Left my phone at home. Oh dear, oh dear. Clean that visor. Getting down, bits of that 1, 2, got water on here as well. And put some juice in this bad boy. Look at that, it's just constant, isn't it? Constant traffic. Put it on charge, left it guaranteed every time I leave it on charge in the morning. Left it at home. Well, I'm going to end that one there. Bit of a short one this week. If you like the channel, smash that subscription button. If you like the videos, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, smash that notification bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel. Ow.